Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you installation of MySQL 8.0.33. Also, I will be showing you how to create a demo database. So let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and just search for MySQL download. And guys, here you can see the search result. Here is the official website mysql.com. You need to just click on MySQL downloads. And now guys, it has redirected you to downloads page, and here you need to just scroll down and you can see the option of community downloads, MySQL community GPL download, which is free download. And guys, now here you can see on this download page, it is showing me different community downloads available, yum repository, then different connectors are available and different downloads for different operating systems are available. So I'm going to install for Windows operating system, so I'm going to select MySQL installer for Windows. Okay guys, so if you click on that link, it will redirect you to this page, and it is showing me the version of MySQL, and here it is showing me the operating system, and here it is showing me two downloads. One is MySQL web community and another is MySQL installer community. So if you select the first one, then you need internet throughout, and if you select the second one, then you can download and install it. Okay, here it is showing me 32-bit. This 32-bit will work on both 64-bit and 32-bit machine. It is the 32-bit installer, not your machine architecture. Okay, so you can select for 32-bit machine also. And guys, just you need to click on this download button to start download of this installer. Okay, so now guys, here it is showing me login and sign up. You don't have to log in or sign up, just click on no thanks, start my download. Okay, now guys, you can see it has started downloading my this installer. It will take a while, so we will wait. Okay, so guys, you can see my download is done. So here I will click on this installer to start my installation. I will minimize my browser guys, and here I'm going to click on run button, and now here it is starting the installer. It is asking me permission guys, so I'm going to select yes. Okay, so it has started installer 1.6, MySQL installer 1.6, and here it is showing me setup type. So it is showing me different setup type: developer default, server, client, full and custom. Basically depending on the setup type, it will install the component. So I'm going to select custom. If you are selecting full, then it is going to install many products. If you select server only, then it will install only server. If you select client, then it will install only client. And in custom, you can select whatever you want. So I'm going to select custom, and then guys, you can see after selecting this custom, I have to click on this next button. So now here it is showing me different products which you wish to install. So available product. So first of all, I will be installing MySQL server. So just go on expanding this and select this MySQL server 8.0.33 and click on this arrow. Okay, so it has added to be product to be installed list, and here we will install application, in that MySQL Workbench and MySQL Shell. So select MySQL Workbench and click on the arrow, as well as select MySQL Shell and click on the arrow. Okay guys, so these are the three product which will be installed on my system. So I'm going to click on next button to install this product. Okay, so that is what custom option. You can select whatever you want to install. Now guys, here I need to click on execute button to install this products. So it will take a while, so here it takes a little longer time, so just wait for it. So guys, now my product installation is done. It is showing complete. I'm going to click on next button, and here it is showing me configuration page, so ready to configure. So few configuration will be done by us for MySQL. So here you can see it is showing me port number. So 3306 is the default port number of MySQL. On this port number it will run. So if you wish to change, you can change. I'm clicking on next button. I'm keeping the default one. So if you are changing, make sure that the port which you are assigning is not already occupied by some other application. So now guys, here it is showing me authentication method. So use legacy and password. So I'm going to take password, and here we need to provide the password for the root user. Root user is the super user for MySQL. So whatever password you wish to provide, you can provide. I'm just providing a simple password. It is showing me weak. That is okay. You can provide a strong password. And guys, if you want to create a user, you can click on this add user button and you can create user also. So I'm not creating any user right now. I'm just taking the default root user. And then guys, I'm going to click on this next button. Now here the next page is what? Windows service page, and here it is showing me that MySQL will be run as Windows services. So under your service, MySQL will be run with the name MySQL 8.0, and whenever you start your system, your MySQL will be started. If you don't want to do that, if you want to manually start MySQL server, then you can uncheck this option. Okay, so MySQL 8.0 is the name of the service. So everything is perfect guys. I'm clicking on next button, and now guys, here it is a server file permission. So we have to grant permission for reading and writing to the server. So I'm selecting the first option and clicking on next button. Okay, so now after this guys, we have what? Apply configuration page. So we have to click on execute to apply the changes whatever we have done. And guys, here my changes are applied, and you can see it is showing me it was successful. So now I'm going to click on this finish button. So as soon as I click on finish button, it has taken me to this page, and now it is showing me configuration complete. I have clicked on next button, and guys, here it is showing me installation complete, and two option it is showing me: start the workbench and start MySQL shell. So I'm not starting shell, I'm just starting MySQL workbench, and just click on this finish button. Okay guys, so once you click on finish button, it will start MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench is a GUI product for MySQL. You can write queries in MySQL workbench also. And guys, here you can see it is showing me MySQL connection. So for root user, the connection is localhost 3306. I'm just double clicking on this, and I'm providing my password, whatever I have entered during installation, the same password, and click on OK button. And guys, here you can see the connection has been successful. Here showing me MySQL workbench. If your server is not started or any problem is there, then you will not get this page. And now here you can write any queries whatever you want. I'm not going to explain this in detail. I'm just writing one simple query: show databases, just to show you that this workbench is working. So show database, select this, and let's run this query. So just click on this button, thunder button. So you can see it is showing me the default databases. We have not created any database till now, so it's showing me this databases. So guys, you can explore this workbench. I will create separate video for workbench. So I'm just going to cross this workbench, and now guys, I'm going to services of this Windows, just to show you that yes, MySQL is running in Windows services. So sometime it happens you are trying to connect to MySQL and you are not able to log in. So you can check it out whether your services are running. So just go to Windows services, and here you can see MySQL 8.0. So for going Windows services, you need to just search services. So that means my services are running. Now I'm going to start MySQL Command-Line Client. This is a client where we can fire the queries. So you can fire queries in Workbench as well as command line. So this is CLI. I just entered my password and it has connected successfully. So do remember your password, whatever you have given during installation. And now guys, here again I'm typing show database command to show the databases which are available. And guys, you can see it is showing me the default databases which are already available. And now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to create my own database. So here I'm typing a command, create database CS corner, and boom guys, you can see it has created database. And I'm writing show databases to display whether my database is there or not. That's correct. Now I'm going to write use CS corner to change from default database to my database. So my database is also changed. Now I'm going to create a simple table, student table with 2 column, roll number and name. So guys, I'm writing create table student command. So my table is created. Now guys, let me just write describe command. So I will just write desk and student. So it will describe my table, whatever name, column name and data type it is having. Done. So now we will type another command, that is insert command. So insert into student values. I'm inserting roll number 1 and name Sunita, and guys, you can see it has inserted my record also. So let's display record. So for that, select star from student. Okay, so done guys, it is showing me my record also. So this way you can type any queries over here. I've just demonstrated few simple queries just to show you that you can work on command line also, or you can work on workbench also. So guys, I hope by following my video you are able to successfully install MySQL and you are able to use it. Okay, so if yes, then guys, don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query, do post in comment box. I'm going to surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. And guys, I have shared a telegram link in my description box. There I'm sharing lots of free PDF related to computer programming and coding. You can join that also. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.